Okay, I'm Ed Rooney, and I'm back at it, elbows deep in two B200s. I started doing some cutting over here. Try to change this floorboard out. And then we're going to get, for the other truck, we're just going to get all new front suspension parts and whatever rear suspension parts we need, because that's the one we're going to be keeping. This one right here, little cheaper, more straightforward scrounge and build. We just want to get this thing assembled well enough, get it into town. I guess that's already cut somehow. I didn't cut it. I also didn't cut out this back panel, but it was cut. Yeah, get my wrench. These B200 floors are always a bit of a hassle, I think. Some of you may disagree. That didn't go quite as planned, but pretty close. Doors will need to be aligned. Couple of little adjustments, no big deal. Don't go away. Wanted you back a little bit. I just wanted a safe walking distance. Don't you need you taking off. I don't need you going into the gully. Yeah, I always struggle with this. We're basically going to have to... Okay, here's what we can do. Mount this new floorboard. And we start transferring stuff over. I wonder if this is even worth it. I checked the value before I did this. Look at that. Maybe we'll try to fix that too. That was only one weld left in there? That seems... The rod looked pretty long. I thought we had a few left in that. That seems like a ripoff. Yeah, we'll work on that, but it's gonna need a lot. A lot. Okay. Where's the old grinder? Oh, threw it down in the gully. I guess that's all it took. Complete disassembly of a truck cab. Very reasonable, very realistic. Yeah, we're gonna have to align that door again. I mean, that makes sense. Got some new structure in here, so, you know. Gonna throw a couple things out of alignment. Well, I'm just happy that we're making progress. And making friends, because everyone out there is my very best friend. Every one of you. And yeah, you're probably sitting there listening to this thinking, he doesn't mean me. You. I know it's hard to believe, but it's true as far as you know. Ah, boy, where is it? It's in here, isn't it? Thought I was in here. I was in here. I was welding in here. Oh, there it is. You go right up there. Where is this cab corner? Go on there. Where is that cab corner? The hell? If I didn't have the eyes of a hawk, we may have lost this one forever. Climb up in this little sweetheart. Start doing some welding. Start doing some... Huh. That doesn't seem to fit that well. Just gonna do a once over, see if we missed anything. I guess not, huh? Let's move our attention to our future here. I'm gonna buy all of the front suspension parts we need, which isn't a ton. Then I'll be back. Alright, I gathered up a lot of parts, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this together in the morning so the lighting is better for you, my friends. Yeah, alright, let's throw this baby together. I mean, expertly throw it together, not haphazardly or anything. Oh, I probably should put every other part on before I try to mount that caliper. I was getting too excited. Unbridled enthusiasm will be the end of me one day, but for now, here, it's being embraced and channeled into excellence. Got a linging ground. We got to get the starter. And we are coming along with this thing. Will definitely be drivable in the blink of an eye. We found this good used radiator. Put it in here. The other radiator was looking a little worse for wear, so we stuck that in the other truck. Oh yeah, I don't have wheels because, well, I mean, they're somewhere out there on the road. Maybe we could find them if we tried. Not really looking to try though, are you? We should try because that is kind of a big expense. Let's just take you off. And woof, I hadn't really paid attention to those brakes. Yeah, glad I did. Oh boy. The drum just disintegrated right in front of our very eyes. That was some wild and wacky stuff. All right. I'm going to need a screwdriver. Right there. We will cinch these up while we're screwing. But we're going to get new drums and shoes for this. And this axle, of course. That's a rear shock. That's a rear shock. We'll put those in. Forgot I already bought that, so it can go in directly. Can I reach you? There you go. There you go. Can't really remember what else I was doing. Oh, shocks. I got so excited for a second and I just couldn't hide it. All right. We do have an emergency brake cable. I could put that in. Need to buy a differential. Don't have that yet. And our brake parts. See if this thing works. As intended. Yeah, I know. I was just testing the fit. I know that we haven't put the brakes on yet. No need for a comment. Delete it. Delete that comment. Or you look foolish. Okay, we got everything we need here. Peculiar. Ah, yeah. These don't fit into backpacks for some reason. Just basic logic, I guess. Oh, I know what's wrong there. We need to actually unscrew and remove this brake drum. Okay. Now we could finally put this back. One step closer to all of our dreams coming true. Let's throw this away. On the way. Throw this away too. Get myself a fat $2. Okay, first we remove the old. Why is this having such an impact on the truck? Oops. And just like that, we've got rear brakes. All right, let's figure out this wheel situation next. We're going to use... Don't run away. Don't roll away. We're going to use the wheels off the other truck for now. Maybe we'll find the ones we lost somewhere along the way. We probably won't. But we can always buy some more at the old junkyard once we get this baby back on the road. Okay. And gonna need you too, little one. I did not intend to do that. Don't want that. Don't need that. Okay, that was a real test of wills there, but we overcame it. Can't see crap. Alright, I'm getting it. Oh wait, I almost got off the jack stands, but we still need drive shafts and a differential. Different exhaust would probably be good too. That was a short bed exhaust. Alright, I'm gonna buy some parts and I'll be back. Okay, up front we do need the steering components. The one, I thought there was two. I guess just the one. I already put the tie rod in, and I put the shocks on. Got all these drive shafts. The silly little drive shafts. Try to double check those when we get to the other side. Same with those. Can't really reach that from here. That's all right. This is such a silly arrangement they've got here. Try to get it from the... Okay, well, we got those all right. Just missed one on that. Okay, let's do a little once over here. I think we're good, though. Yeah, we're ready to get this thing on the ground. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Got a tire not holding air. But all these tires are pretty bad, so we'll get a new set. Yep. This is a blast right here. Bike Pump Simulator 2026. Should start up. Oh, you know what? I didn't check the coolant in that new radiator. Pretty low. I'll take care of this, and then we will get right back into the action. We had another technical issue, I think. I don't know. I'm not going to know till I review Todd's work. But it's time to paint. Yeah. Anybody else incredibly angry right now? You know, I'm just trying. I'm trying my best here. And I got this guy dragging me down. Yeah, you're probably sick of hearing this one. I'm sick of living it. Earlier today, we had riches beyond our wildest dreams. Now we got 1,400 bucks. All right, I'll give that a minute to dry and we'll check it out. Get some parts remounted. And get ready for some clear coat. Get that. Magical transformation. Roof is definitely a problem area. Freshen it. Well, it looks like that's where we'll wrap things up for today. Ed Rooney, the boy nobody wanted, up here alone in a cabin, has begun a very impressive automotive empire. We are now rich with automobiles. Lad, station wagon, cosmetically restored. Mechanically, close. We'll get there. A drivable, beautiful, powerful tow truck. It'll be more powerful one day. An exotic, rare Lad GT convertible. And this amalgamation of leftover crap slapped together to form a B200, a pickup truck. Even got battery cables. Those are included. Anybody interested? Come on down. But until then, until next time, until we meet again, I am Ed Rooney, and I am out of here.
Everybody, say goodnight to the bad guy.